Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to import your chart of accounts within NetSuite. Everything starts off with a Excel spreadsheet that you have sent to your client. Maybe you are the client. In this Excel spreadsheet you can see I have it basically laid out over here. So we have our chart of accounts and we have a format where we have our parent-child relationship. So obviously you might have a summary account or a parent account. Remember, a summary account is just a parent that can't post, and if you don't make it summary, then you can still post to that account. So these are those parent accounts over here. As you can see, these are our parent accounts. So when you receive your spreadsheet in this format, obviously cast your account number, your description, the type, and the parent. Parent is basically saying this is the parent, this is the child over here. And then you're basically saying this is the parent. Okay, so once you received your spreadsheet, I will make the spreadsheet available to you as well. You can basically create two new tabs on your Excel, and you need to split this out. So you first need to import your parents, and then you import your children. So okay, so I've done that over here. So basically I've taken this two over here, my parents, and I put them in a separate sheet. And then over here you can see again I've taken my children and I've put them in a separate sheet. Okay, so now when you create your tab, add this new column over here called external ID. So external ID is your secondary ID to your primary key, and that's in database terms. So if I want to reference a record, I'm going to be referencing it via the external ID. And usually what we do is we take the account number and we make that the external ID. Okay. So once you've done this and your data is in the following format, you're ready to import your data. While you're at it, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. The next thing you want to do is export your parent account as a CSV record. Now that you have your records exported, head over to Setup, Import Export, and then Import CSV records. Okay, on this page you will then select accounting, and the record type will be chart of accounts. It's already in CSV, that's all fine. And then you'll select your accounts. Okay, so I selected my accounts, and the next thing I want to now do is click on next. Okay, you will be adding, so you continue, that's all good. And then here's where the mapping will take place. So you can see your external ID already mapped up, your description is there, the type is fine. Next thing you want to take is your account number and make that the number, and the name over there will be the same as the description. Parent will map, just remove that. Okay, remember you can have your department, class, all of that in here as well. Remember, subsidiary is a required field, so I'm just mapping that to my main company. So this is hard coded, so I just selected that. I'm happy with that, and then you can click on next. Okay, remember to save your import, because on the next round you can use the same import. So I'll just call this parent import, save and run. Next thing, you'll have this page, and you can just click on this import job status and have a look, and you can see over there 2 out of 2 records have imported. I can now go to my chart of accounts, scroll all the way down, and there you can see there's my 2 parent accounts over there. Okay, they're already there. Now the next thing we want to do is import the children. Okay, this means you go back to your Excel spreadsheet, select your children, save as children, CSV, and there we go. We export that. We go back to setup, import export, chart of accounts, select our children, next again. Okay, so now we leave our parents over there, you can see, but this is where it gets interesting. So let's map up as we've done the parents. So name, so account number will go to account number over there. Description will go to the name. Okay, that's fine. Description, external ID is fine. And then over here, this is where you need to pay close attention. Click on the pencil icon on parent and change this to external ID. So we're referencing back to the account number that we previously made the external ID on the parents, and now we're just saying based on those external IDs of those parents, we are linking it back to the children. Okay, there we go. and we click next, and then we can go ahead and then save and run. Okay, the process will now run. Scroll, 10 out of 10 records as imported. Go back to my accounts, scroll down, there we can see. And this part here is basically, it's indented here to show that it's children of that parent account. Indented because it's a parent of that account. And if I click on it, there's our account, and you can see sub account of that account. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.